Welcome to this sixth video of quadratic equation. Let's solve next sums from practice set 2.2 by factorization method. Now fifth sum in this is 2x square minus 2x plus 1 upon 2 is equal to 0. Now in this question we find something in the denominator. We don't want anything in the denominator. So to remove any term from the denominator, we have to multiply each term by that term in the denominator. Here we find 2 in the denominator. So let's multiply each term by 2. Therefore 2 we have to multiply by 2x square minus 2 into 2x plus 2 into half is equal to 2 into 0. So we have multiplied each term by 2. Now what we find? Therefore 2 into 2 we get it 4x square minus 2 2s are 4x. This 2 will get cancelled and we'll get it plus 1 and 2 into 0 is equal to 0. Once you are used to what you have to do, you can directly go from this step to this step. So you have multiplied by 2 to each term. If you are not sure, do one extra step and go for the next. Now as we have got this equation, now we have to factorize this 1 along with multiplication of 4. What is this? Because value of a is not 1. So we have to take the product of a into c, that is 4 into 1. So 4 into 1 is going to be 4, its sign is plus 1. So plus 4, its factors will be such that the addition of the factors should be 4. Factors of 4 such that its addition should be 4. So either it 4 can be written as 4 1s are 4 or it can be 2 2s are 4. Addition here it is 5 and here the addition is 4. So we have to select the factors 2 2s are 4 where the sum of the 2 and 2 is 4. Now what is sign over here? Minus. Give it to both. Okay. So we have got this factors here and now let's write here 4x square minus 2x plus 1. So we are splitting this middle term like this is equal to 0. To more about this method, you can see the previous videos description whose link is given in the description box. Okay. So now taking common from this 2, 4x square and 2x. We have out of 4 and 2 we can get 2 common. X square and x we can have x common. So 2x is common. So what is uncommon? 2 2s are 4. So 2x. And out of x square we have taken 1x. 1x is remaining. So product of 2x and 2x we get it 4x. Correct? Now minus. Whole 2x is taken here. So nothing is remaining. So it's 1. Okay. So this is common in this 2 and this is uncommon. Now from this, what is common and uncommon? Use my trick. 2x minus 1, copy this bracket. And here what is remaining? 2x you have taken. Sign is minus. No number is remaining. So it is minus 1. It means the product of this is minus 2x and minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1 is equal to 0. We have got this common bracket which we will write once 2x minus 1 common from these 2 and uncommon is now 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. We got these two factors. So by factorization method we get it factors where the product is 0. When the product is 0, either 2x minus 1 value of this factor should be 0 or value of the other factor 2x minus 1 should be 0. Okay. So we got the same bracket? Yes. It means it is the perfect square of 2x minus 1. So you can say that if 2x minus 1 is 0, then 2x is equal to 1. Okay. You need not to copy, or if you copy also here, you will get it same is equal to 1. So x is equal to 1 upon 2. And here also you got same x is equal to 1 upon 2. So if you observe, we get the same value in both situations. Why? Because here we get the same bracket, means this given trinomial is a perfect square of this binomial 2x minus 1. Okay. So what is the solution? Here we are not getting two solutions because it's a perfect square of 2x minus 1. So your answer you can write solution that 1 upon 2 is the solution of given quadratic equation. Okay. Now similarly here we have something in the denominator. What is in the denominator? X. To eliminate this from denominator, multiply by x. So if you don't write, if you do directly, Multiplying by x, here we get it 6x square. Minus x will get cancelled. 2 is equal to 1 into x is x. Each term is multiplied by x. Either you show like this or you can do directly like this. Now to write this in the standard form or general form, first write the 6x square term, then write the x term which is on the right side, take it on left, plus x will become minus x, minus 2 is here as it is, right side nothing we have now because x is taken on the left side, right side is 0. Now factors of what? Here the value of a is 6 and c is minus 12. So 6 into minus 2 is minus 12. So factors of 12 should be such that subtraction should be equal to the middle term b. It's 1. Okay. We will see that minus 1 afterwards. Now we will just concentrate on the number 1. So what are the factors of 12 such that the subtraction of factors is 1? 12 ones are no. Subtraction is 11. 6 twos are no. 4 threes are yes. 4 threes are 12. 4 minus 3 is 1. Now to get this minus 1, we have to give that minus sign to the greater factor and its opposite sign to the smaller. So these are the required factors. If you get these factors wrong, everything will go wrong. So you need to know and understand these factors very well. Okay. Therefore, now writing this along with x, so 6x square minus 4x plus 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. We are copying the first and third as it is. We are just splitting this middle term like this with the help of these factors. So what is the common from this 2 and this 2? 6 and 4. Now the 6 and 4 both are in table of 2. So 2 is common number. X square and x is common. Now in bracket, 2 how many are 6? It is 2 3s are 6 and x into x square. So this is product of this is 6x square minus sign. Now 2 how many are 4? It is 2 2s are. So 2x into 2 we get it 4x. Complete this bracket. Have some distance. Copy the same. 3x minus 2. Now what is the third term? Plus 3x. We have got plus 3x here. So nothing is remaining means plus 1. Because of plus sign here plus and 1 is equal to 0. Now write the factors in two different brackets. Common bracket 3x minus 2, another is 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now product of these two is 0, therefore 3x minus 2 is equal to 0 or 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now I will show you instead of having these two steps how can we write in one step also. Okay, so from this step if you want to write x, first take this minus 2 on the right side, it will become plus 2, correct? And this 3x, so this 3 will go in the denominator part. So from this you can write directly what is the value of x. It is plus 2 upon 3. Or here, from here it is what is x. This is plus 1, let it go on the other side, it will become minus 1. And x is multiplied by 2, so it will go as division upon 2 here. So these are the two answers. Write this in your answer that 2 upon 3 and minus 1 upon 2 are the solution of this equation. Now, third sum I am considering, which is 7th sum in your practice set, and it is given in the activity form. It is printed over in textbook like this. Such question can come in board also in activity form. Each box, if you fill correctly, you will get half mark for this. Okay. So, how to solve this? Now, though here you can see that irrational numbers, students don't get afraid, don't get scared. We have to follow the same method. We will multiply this value of a and c to get its factor. So, what is the value of a? It is root 2 and 5 root 2. Okay. So, let's do this rough work here. So, root 2 into 5 root 2. What is the product of this? 5 is the number and root 2 into 2 will get 2. So, it is 5 2s are 10. Okay, so you have to factorize 10 in such a way that sign is plus, its addition should be 7. So what are the factors of 10? Addition will give you 7. You can see here this 5 and 2. So factors of 10 can be as 5 and 2. And the signs will be same, plus 5 plus 2. So copy this first term as it is, which is given here. Now 7x should be splitted here. How? 7x should be splitted as 5x. So here in the box you have to write 5x. plus 2x. So you have to fill in these boxes like this. And this 5 root 2 is given as it is 0. Now take common from this first two term. What is common? Now root 2 and 5, nothing is common. So x square and x, we have x common. So what is remaining? So here it is remaining square root of 2x. Out of x square, 1x is taken here, 1x should come here. Plus, what is remaining here? Now out of this 5x, we have taken x. So 5 is remaining here. So this is the fill in the blank. Root 2x, square root of 2x plus 5. Now here root 2 is given. Now we know that same bracket comes here. So directly you can write the same bracket here, root 2x plus 5. Okay. Now we got this common bracket here. You can verify your answer. Root 2 into root 2 is 2x. And this is 5 root 2. So this is properly written here. Okay. Now this root square root of 2x plus 5 common bracket we will write here. And uncommon x plus square root of 2. It is already given to you. So this product of 2 is 0. It means either value of this bracket is 0. Means square root of 2x plus 5. This bracket is 0 or x plus root 2 is 0. We are just filling the whichever is not given. Okay, so from this, what is the value of x? Now this is 0 plus 5 is going on the other side. It will become minus 5 and x is multiplied by square root of 2. It should go upon square root of 2. Okay, and here plus square root of 2 going on the other side minus square root of 2. That's why you have to write minus 5 upon square root of 2. And minus root 2 are the roots of the equation. Now actually we don't write this root 2 in the denominator. So if you rationalize it, it is very good. So for rationalization what you can do, either this can be your answer or this root 2, minus 5 upon root 2. To rationalize, if you multiply by root 2 on the both side, you can get it minus 5 root 2 upon 2. So instead of this, you can write this answer also, minus 5 root 2 upon 2. So this box can contain this answer also. But if it is not expected like this in the textbook, you can write this is also correct. Value of both is same. So this way we have solved these three sums which are a little bit different from the normal ax square plus bx plus c. Here we have something in denominator and in here we have the values of a, b, c as irrational. I hope you have understood these three sums. If you have understood, please give me like, comments and don't forget to subscribe my channel if you are not yet subscribed. Thank you.